They finna have a dogs. They finna have a little duel. Oh, snap.
Came out the box.
Welcome back to the Anime Anbu reactions.
Where if they don't keep it real,
We will. Yes. Like we said, it's 2024. Lots of new anime dropping for this winter season. And this is one right here that y'all about to watch with us. And it's called Metallic Rouge. And the trailer looked fire. We don't know what it's about, but there was girls transforming. Other people transforming. You got a brown-skinned girl with glasses. What more do you need in anime? So, yeah, we really finna go in this blind. We just finna see what it's about. Hopefully it's fire. Animation look crisp. Hopefully the story is good. The characters are fire. Let's just check it out.
Let's get it. I ain't never seen a bird catch a ride. All right.
Maybe it's a messenger bird.
I was gonna say, it kind of looked like in the future, the way the plane looked.
Mars.
Dang.
No, maybe it is in the future. They on Mars. Oh yeah, they definitely look like they like mind
Is
control.
it supposed to be like crops with solar panels?
Oh yeah, I don't know what's going on here, but they look like they just like little robots, androids. They shipping them off to work. Okay, Vash the Stampede. Okay, who was that? Sarah Fitzgerald.
Like, give you like cyberpunk vibes.
That's just that low key what I was thinking too.
Dang.
Damn. He already took Mick out. A simple code.
That's interesting. I thought it'd be like a gambit.
That's what I was thinking too.
Yeah.
Damn.
Man, it's cold blooded, man. Sarah out here balling, boy. She in the
Man.
Phantom, the 2020, the 3000. Damn. Oh, he robbed them. They cold. Damn. I feel like there's gonna be a lot to like learn. Like this is gonna get deep. This anime.
So you got like two species right now.
Yeah, like you said, they do got the cyberpunk vibes.
Need some of that nectar. Damn. So is everybody one of those?
Yeah, that dude look cold.
I was going to say that
He
too.
look cold.
Oh no. I wonder if he shut down the power. Red Gladiator.
Damn.
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 お名前はおっしゃいませんでした。そう。
返して、ネクタロウ、返してください。知らねえよ。何言ってんだよ。お願いします。
You too cold, bro.
Dang.
Yeah.
Damn.
Damn, I thought man like it's the trash man, bro. That's cold.
The trash man.
What they did, like they just lifted him up and just scoop, let his body roll into the little thing.
ああ。いやー、まさかあの鳥に中の人がいるなんて。ああ。いやー、まさか中の人。
メモリ壊れてんのかい。で、あれから進捗は？
ああ。いや、やっぱサラはバイオラと違うと思う。違うな、あれは。
君には残念だけど、サラ・フィッツジェラルドはネクタルを撃っていた。彼女はネアン、そして十中八九インモータルナインの一人、バイオラ。
Mortal 9.
またの名を、煉獄のバイオラ。
There's a lot going on.
Yeah.
やめて、約束は守ってもらうわ。
もちろんですが、ちょっとトラブりましてね。
必要な情報は教えたはず。
そうです。あなたがその美しい体を怪我して、いえ、体を張ってまで手に入れた情報だというのに、ネクタルを横から全部奪われてしまったという大集大。
約束は守って。
あなたには同情します。今回の件が成功していれば、私どもアルターとも縁が切れましたもの。それも儚き夢。
チャロン。
我らがシルビアはあなたが情報を漏らしたと疑っておいでです。
彼女が？
あなたは潔白だとシルビアには力説したのですがね。
私は殺されかけたのよ。
誰か見知らぬ者が近づいてきたとか。先手必勝ですよ。
She just want the chocolate.
今夜は付き合ってくれない？この橋を渡ってこちらに来たの。昔の本当の自分を全部橋の向こうに捨てて、まっさらの新しい自分になって。あなたのこと好きだったんだけどな。ネアンは人を殺せない。私たちは規格外なの。あなたも同族なんでしょう。
They finna have a
But
dogs.
dang.
They finna have a little duel. Oh
Came out the
snap!
box.
This with the music in the background sound like it's like on some. Damn, where'd she go? Oh.
Dang.
あの時私を襲ったのも
So that's his real, what he really looks like, but he can mimic.
可愛いあの子をその手でやれたのですか？
やれた。
怪しいもんだ。だから私が可愛い。
ルージュは赤いやつじゃなかった。あの子は関係なかった。
どうでしょう、奴はあなたの名前を知ってた。バイオラ。まあ大方、心理部のエージェントい。
That's the,
She
is the
was?
red one. That's,
こいつは想定が。
dang.
楽しいね。だが私はここまで。先ほどあなたはやれるとおっしゃった。ここからはあなたが主役ですよ。さあ、It's showtime。そいつを倒してどうか心ゆくまで歌い続けてください。それではアデューバイオラ。
殺す前に名前を聞かせて。
メタルルージュ。我が名はインモータルナインが一人。煉獄のバイオラ。
Purgatory.
And straight to boxing too.
やるわね。
I like them. I like them little daggers she had.
もうあと何回か打たせれば分析できる。
Yeah, hold on, I gotta
Take a
some
few
hits.
more
Ooh.
hits.
Yeah. Oh, we're getting wet.
Damn.
Dang. She got some cold defense.
Yeah.
お前は何なんだ。
I'm like, how many hits I gotta take?
All right.
腕の一部をイオン加速させてる。おまけに高周波ブレード付き。
私はただ歌いたかった。幸せになりたかっただけなんだ。それがどう
You done yet?
Tell me.
Oh shit.
I like the background music too.
That's what I'm saying,
It's
bro.
like-
It fits with this whole scene perfectly. It's got the flamethrowers.
She said she just want to sing. Now you gotta.
Oh,
That's cold.
That's cold.
Yeah, that's
Already.
cold.
耐熱限界点。広角外皮が用意する。
Oh my god, this whole scene is fucking fire. Oh, the rain? Oh, that's cold. Damn, what's
Just
that?
take our heart out.
So I'm thinking, is that what that is?
Damn.
She just walked away like that. That was cold. That was cold. She didn't give it no little remark back or
Damn.
nothing. She just said, yeah, I'm out.
What are they, hitmen or something?
I know, right?
Dang, shout out to Studio Bones, boy.
It was like
Big
a.
Bones.
It felt like Kill a Kill too. a little bit.
Yeah, I was thinking Kill la Kill.
Especially because it's about females too, female protagonists. So
And I always look for a good anime with, women antagonists. Always, bro. So, man, this was I like that.
That was good.
That was good, bro.
I thought it was gonna be like Gundam. I said we can do another Gundam one, but all right,
that was pretty cool.
that was cool. I fucks with it.
That was cool, man. I like her character too. Well, we haven't seen too much of her character, but you can tell she's one of those cold, kind of like the girl with the glasses. I don't remember what her name was, but she's kind of gonna be like the brains, and Metallic Rouge. She gonna be, the brawn, pretty much.
And she close range, so she gonna be boxing everybody.
Yeah, the whole cinematics from that one little scene, that fight scene right there, that was fire, dude. She had to pull out the flamethrowers from her shoulders. She just block it, just pull it behind her.
Yeah, that was different.
That was cool.
That was, man. I really enjoyed this episode, man. So, yeah, y'all let us know in the comments if y'all checking out Metallic Rouge. Let us know down below or hit us on any of our social medias at The Anime Anbu. That's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, The Anime Anbu.
And we out.
Yeah.